I got into Columbia in my first attempt, and if I had to do it all over again, this is the strategy that I'll follow to write the perfect statement of purpose. मेरा नाम है शीतल and I am the founder of DuesPaid, जहाँ पे हम आपकी study abroad journey को simplify करते हैं. Writing a strong statement of purpose can seem a daunting task, but don't worry, in this video we'll break down the entire process using the 4P formula. Purpose, past experiences, personality, and program. Each of these pillars can help you create an SOP that is unique and impactful. Plus, I'll share a few bonus tips at the end of this video to make sure that your SOP shines like you. So, चलिए शुरू करते हैं. सबसे पहला पिलर है पर्पस. You should be able to articulate exactly what your interest and your goals are. When you are starting to write your SOP, try answering this one question. Why do you want to pursue this particular degree? One thing that makes a great SOP stand out from a good SOP is the specific details. You have to be able to answer what exactly do you want to study. Mention the exact degree or the field that you want to enter. Second would be what are your interests and research goals with this program. Try discussing a few topics that you would like to get deeper into while you are pursuing this particular degree. Third would be share your future plans. Every degree is like a stepping stone. अगर आप ये चीज़ आंसर करते हो that how this degree is going to impact your future and your career trajectory, that's a great start because that lets the admission officers know how valuable of a resource will you become in that particular field once you have graduated with that degree. One of the examples could be, I want to study artificial intelligence at University XYZ because I'm passionate about using technology to solve healthcare challenges in developing nations. This program will equip me with the skills to lead impactful projects in the future, and you can also talk about what kind of projects would you like to take up in the future. Second would be past experiences. इस पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन में आप अपने पास्ट को अपने प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर से कनेक्ट करोगे so that it gives a cohesive picture to the admission officers. You can't just talk about how you were a public policy expert in your past and then how you want to become a data scientist in the future. You have to be able to connect these two things together so that the admission officers can see value in your SOP. In this section, you should try to focus on your academic background. This could talk about all the other degrees that you have pursued so far. Second thing would be your professional experiences, be it a job, internship, any kind of projects that you took up, anything that remotely relates to how you could be a perfect candidate for the degree professionally should be mentioned in this section. And the third thing would be skills developed. इसमें आप अपनी उन स्किल्स के बारे में बात करोगे जो कि आपने ओवर टाइम डेवलप की हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इट कुड बी पब्लिक स्पीकिंग, इट कुड बी लीडरशिप, it could be coding, anything or everything that can help your SOP get a little stronger. One of the examples could be, during my internship at XYZ company, I worked on optimizing supply chain logistics. This experience deepened my interest in operations management and motivated me to pursue a master's in this field. The third pillar is program. इसमें आप ये बात करोगे that why do you want to pursue this specific degree in that specific university in that specific country. जब आप country के बारे में बात कर रहे हो तो आप बता सकते हो that what kind of research opportunities or job opportunities have attracted you to this country. When you're talking about यूनिवर्सिटी को ये मत बताओ कि वो कितनी वर्ल्ड फेमस है और कितनी रिप्यूटेड है जिसकी वजह से आप उस यूनिवर्सिटी में अप्लाई कर रहे हो, बिकॉज यूनिवर्सिटी को ऑलरेडी वो पता है. दे रिसीव थाउजेंड्स ऑफ एप्लीकेशंस फॉर दैट वेरी रीजन. Don't waste your time talking about the university. Rather talk about how you are fit for the university. My bonus tip would be, हर प्रोग्राम में कुछ ऐसे स्पेसिफिक प्रोफेसर्स होते हैं जो कुछ कोर्सेज पढ़ाते हैं विच अलाइन परफेक्टली विद योर फ्यूचर गोल्स एंड योर रिसर्च इंटरेस्ट. ऐसे प्रोफेसर्स के बारे में रिसर्च करो एंड ट्राई मेंशनिंग दैट इन योर SOPs. दैट वुड नॉट ओनली मेक योर SOP स्ट्रॉन्गर बट वुड ऑल्सो गिव अ हिंट टू द एडमिशन ऑफिसर्स दैट यू नो व्हाट यू टॉकिंग अबाउट एंड यू आर वेरी सीरियस अबाउट इट. इसका एक एग्जाम्पल ये हो सकता है, आई एम पर्टिकुलरली ड्रॉन टू प्रोफेसर XYZ's research on renewable energy systems. The chance to work under her guidance and access to state-of-the-art labs makes this university my ideal choice. The fourth pillar is personality. Be unique. The university admissions officers want to know you for you. Don't try to be somebody else or don't try to fake it. Just be true to yourself and be yourself in your SOP. Talk about your hobbies and interests outside of academics. ऐसी चीज़ों के बारे में बात करो जो कि आपके academic program से बिल्कुल relate नहीं करती हैं, but somehow they make you very unique in your own way. Talk about your values and traits. For example, talk about your leadership skills. Talk about humility. Talk about empathy. These are the kind of soft skills that often don't make it into the CV or resume of a person, and the admission officers would really like to know that. Third would be cultural fit. You have to be able to talk about how you will adjust in a new country, in a new culture, and how your existence will benefit the student community in that particular degree. एक चीज़ जो मैंने अपने SOP में mention की थी वो बिल्कुल मेरे program से relate नहीं करती थी, and that was that I am a half marathon runner. तो मैंने अपने SOP में ये बताया that how being a half marathon runner has helped me understand the importance of persistence and goal setting, which are two beautiful traits if you can carry them forward in your professional journey as well. मेरी तरफ से 3 bonus tip. Please start early. Don't try to write your SOP in the last minute. एक अच्छे SOP को लिखने में कम से कम 3 से 4 महीने लगते हैं. So make sure that you have that kind of time to reflect on certain questions and put your best foot forward so that the admission officers can actually get to know you for you. Second bonus tip would be show, don't tell. Don't talk about how you're passionate about girl child education, public policy, biology. Rather कोई ऐसा experience share करो जिससे आपका वो particular passion forefront में दिख रहा है and it is actually in some action and not just words. My third bonus tip, which is absolutely important and the most underrated thing to do during writing an SOP is proofreading. Please make sure कि आप अपने essay को बार-बार पढ़ रहे हो. Also make sure that you are getting some feedback from your friends, family or professors, whosoever is able to help you. That would help you in avoiding basic mistakes. For example, अगर आप believe लिखना चाहते हो, कई बार I और E की position interchange हो जाती है and there is a spelling mistake. That can actually cost you your admission. So that's it for today. That was the 4P formula for you to write a perfect essay. And I hope you get into your dream university. Don't forget, we have created a Google form link which is mentioned in the description. If you have a particular query जिसके लिए आपको help चाहिए, please make sure that you fill out that form and we'll get in touch with you with our experts and get you the help you deserve. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll meet you in the next video to make your study abroad journey easy.